ló bá tán o nọ́ọ̀sì tó gún Mohbad lábẹ́rẹ́ ikú ó mà ti jẹ́wọ́ ilé ayé Akamara. Alright my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, it's a breaking news. Nurse who allegedly injected #Mobad has been detained. Well, onto this one, it had been cleared that the nurse who injected Mobad has been detained. #Justice for Mobad, according to latest report by Kemi Oluloyo, the nurse who allegedly injected Mobad has been detained. Mobad's real name, Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, a talented hip-hop act, passed away last Tuesday. The cause of his death remains unknown as different accounts of circumstances surrounding the demise exist. He was alleged to have died in Ikorodu, Lagos after being administered an injection by an auxiliary nurse. The United States trained broadcast and investigative journalist, clinical and a retail pharmacist, and award-winning addiction expert made this known in her latest post via her X platform. Alright, onto this one. Recall, a nurse by profession alleged that Mobad's life was tragically cut short after being struck by a lethal charm. Expanding on her account, the nurse recalls that she and her fellow medical professionals were present at the hospital when Mobad was urgently brought in, and the singer was exhibiting signs of severe discomfort, shivering noticeably. According to her, in the initial assessment, they suspected a case of malaria and they began administering various treatments, including injections, in an attempt to alleviate his condition. Unfortunately, they were unaware at the time that mystical forces were at play. The nurse, who claimed to be very close to the late singer, divulged that Mobad was trying to separate a fight when his alleged assailant cunningly took advantage of the situation to unleash the juju charm on him. Speaking about the latest update, she wrote, #breaking, the nurse who allegedly injected Mobad has been detained. As a pharmacist, I want to know the drug so badly and the rationale for it. I don't know if she's the one making video. This may well be a malpractice case. All right, and exactly what is actually has actually been said onto this one. A lot of things are actually happening. A lot of people have made a lot of disclosure onto this one. Well, somebody even made it clear that in a situation whereby someone is being hit with a charm or something, that you don't even need to administer injection immediately. In fact, a lot of things had actually been said, but one thing right now is that all these people, definitely they will still come out and they will confess one after the other. They have not even told us what we want to hear, and no, this is so bad. It's a quack nurse, according to AGO. That is the right step. Okay, that is the right step in the right direction. Even the person who Mobad separated fight from, that used charm on him, should be arrested. Okay, and then it also needs to be investigated. No stone should be left unturned. Okay, that's what had been said by Oko Faith. That's so serious. Well, according to Ruben's son, they said, well, please do everything within your reach to get justice for Mobad. All right, exactly what the people are still working on right now. Yes, and then as it stands, the good people will not relent. Nigerians will not relent on this case. Definitely, we are following it squarely. They think we will forget about everything after some days. No, justice for Mobad, or else nobody will rest in this country. Well, somebody had made it clear that they should investigate the mother, the father, even the wife, that this set of people, they have plans on that guy. Well, my brother, my sister, that's another strong one. Truth about the death of Mobad from God. Okay, his father and mother wife plans for the death of Mobad because both are in relationship for long, and they need his landed properties. That's another serious one. Well, if somebody had replied that, and you concluded just like that, may God have mercy on you. Okay, that's another one. Well, R.I.P. Hero. You people are evil. Oh. First of all, how did she know that they used the mystical juju on him? Was she there when the incident happened? Honestly, these people are all suspects. Okay, that's another one. Oh, everybody is a suspect. You have said it now. Okay, oh, it's just unfortunate. May his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Okay, that's another one. Now, the government, in fact, everybody, we have to leave no stone unturned. Okay, and exactly what it is. We are not going to relent on this matter. Mobad must have justice. Yes, so justice for Mobad. Everybody is a suspect. That his friend that took him to that hospital is our number one suspect right now. Okay, even the nurse, a lot of people are made it clear that they must have probably paid these people to do what they did, because you can't just say somebody is dead and then immediately you just rush him to bury him like that. What happened? What is pursuing you? What is the problem? At least you should have found out what actually killed him. Well, the autopsy, I don't know what the government is actually doing. What are they waiting for? Yes, they said they have exhumed the body, but some set of people are still letting us understand that they have not even exhumed the body, that all are lies. My brother, my sister, who is actually deceiving who? What is delaying this process? Everything must be done fast as possible, because we cannot keep waiting. Because if Nigeria keep mute, in case you don't know, if Nigerians keep mute on this matter, that is how destruction will be coming upon all innocent people, including you and I. That's why everybody is out right now. We don't want all this to continue again in this country. Yes, this one should teach all of them lessons. Every evildoer, wherever you are, this time around, this you will understand that Nigerians are no longer cowards. Yes, we are facing it squarely. Yes, so Mobad is now our hero. He has fought for everything. He has fought for a lot of people. All the secrets is now out. So definitely we are not going to relent. Somebody made it clear that, oh, the thing say we go forget. Oh, we no go for on this matter or more. Everybody, everybody, because right now we must follow them up. Yes, so even from the government till the least person, everybody must answer to this, because he don't take. And then meanwhile, these guys actually said it, that every day for the thief, one day for the owner. He actually knew that this time around will come, and then we have to follow it up squarely, because he has spoken at length on this matter. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things have actually been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more update if you are just joining us on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.